The real reason you can't save money has nothing to do with your income. And once you understand this, everything changes. You've told yourself the story 100 times, I don't make enough. If I just earned more, I could finally save. But it's not true. People making twice your salary are broke. Doctors, lawyers, engineers living paycheck to paycheck. And people making half what you make are building wealth quietly. Same economy, same bills, same expenses. Completely different outcomes. Why? Visibility. That's the real difference. When you can't see where your money goes, every dollar feels accounted for. You look at your paycheck, look at your bills, and assume there's nothing left. But you've never actually checked. Invisible leaks are draining you. That subscription you forgot. That extra 20 here and there. Small purchases that feel like nothing but add up to hundreds. You can't save what you can't see. And right now, you're blind. Here's how to fix it. First, write down your real income. Not what you wish you made, what actually hits your account. Second, list every single expense, fixed and variable. Rent, utilities, insurance, subscriptions, food, transportation, everything. Miss nothing. Third, subtract. What's left is your surplus. And for most people, this number is a shock. There's more there than they thought. The Finance Reset Toolkit does this automatically. You enter your numbers once and it calculates your real surplus instantly. Then it goes further. You can simulate changes. Cut a subscription, watch your savings grow. Add a side hustle, watch your debt payoff date move closer. You finally see the money you didn't know you had. And once you see it, you can direct it. People using this system found hundreds of dollars hiding in their budget. They stopped blaming their income and started building wealth with what they already had. This video is for educational purposes only. Individual results may vary.